Hi, this is John, West Coast Connects. Ronnie reached out to you guys the other day, wanted me to send a video showing you 3 things you can do to bring more customers in. So I will keep it short and sweet. It will only be about 6 to 8 minutes. I'll give you a couple of tips that you can do to bring in more customers. So looking at your website actually looks pretty good. The one big thing I would say is to add more content to your homepage specifically. Um, and content really is anything that can be highlighted and uh, whether that be images or text, all of that is content. So add more pictures, add more content, more text. And the reason behind that is you can add more keywords to be searched for more things. You can save your videos as specific keywords. And really, Google uses that to push up um, businesses up the list for their Google searches. So typically, you want your homepage to be anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500. You're about half that. You're about 500 words, a little less than 500 words for your homepage, which is typical with any other page. So any of these pages would be typical for 500 words. But your homepage really should be 1,000 to 1,500. And depending on your competition, if your competition has like 2,000 words, you'd want to up them by putting in 2,500 or something like that. So you always want to keep on top of your competitor, and Google does use that in their rankings. So you definitely want to make sure you add more content, more pictures, more text, and make sure those pictures are optimized. Um, I went ahead and put you guys in Ahrefs, and Ahrefs is a tool that uh, web designers and SEO specialists use to kind of gauge the strength of a site. So here is your site strength. They base it on two different values, a UR value and a DR value. Basically, you want these to be the same or similar, a 1-to-1 ratio, basically, and you want them to be as close to 100 as possible. The scale is 0 to 100. So as you can see, your UR is higher than your DL or your DR, and your domain rating is zero point 0.3 out of 100. So there definitely is some work that can be done here. Um, Backlinks are links back to your site. Referring domains is how many actual domains send backlinks to you. So right now you have 39 sites that are sending you 293 links. Okay, you're ranking on 106 keywords. That means you're in the top 100 and 106 keywords, which is giving you 44 hits per month. All right. If you were to spend money in Google Ads, there's estimating that you would have to spend $560 to get the same type of traffic that you currently have. So not the worst. There definitely is room for improvement though, and I'll go through that and show you kind of what you can do to improve that. So my second tip would be, especially with that contact, to add more buyer-specific keywords. If you look here, you're getting traffic, RJB electrical, but people are already searching that. You're getting some traffic from some national keywords, so electrical contractors. There's 7,200 searches for that a month, but those are nationwide. So you might have people in Florida or Germany looking for that. You are ranked number 6, which is giving you 6 hits a month out of those 7,200. So obviously, 7,194 hits are not coming your way, and that's based on one, the fact that you're 6th in that rankings, and two, it's national. So you guys are in Signal Hill. Most people don't know Signal Hill is close to Long Beach, which is close to LA. They just see Signal Hill and like, oh, that's not where I'm at. So uh, you definitely want to focus more on these keywords like that you're ranking, like electrician, Long Beach, California. You're on the first page, but you're at the bottom of the first page. And here these things, this is the KD. Okay, so the KD on on Long Beach is 1. So that's the keyword difficulty. And the keyword difficulty is on a scale of 0 to 100, 100 being the hardest to rank for, 0 being the easiest. So this is not too hard to rank for, and there's 100 hits a month. Okay, as it is in this, ranked in 9th, you're getting 3.5 clicks per month for that. So imagine if you're in the first spot or the second spot or the third spot, you might be getting 20, 30 hits from it. So focusing more on this keyword rather than electrical contractors is probably going to do more. As you can see, you're in the 9th spot here, and you're getting 3.5 clicks versus the 6th spot here with much more search volume, and you're only getting 6 clicks from that. So very important to kind of focus on some of these local Long Beach electricians. Okay, keyword difficulty 0, full 50 hits a month. Long Beach electrician, again, 200 hits per month, keyword difficulty of 0. So really there's a lot of local competition that you could take over pretty quickly if you kind of focused on that. So that would be my second tip. So I put in Long Beach electrician, and I want to show you some of your competitors. So here's Powell Electric. They're from LA, but they have a lot of SEO going and a lot of stuff, and I'll show you theirs. And they hit a lot of the local areas, but they're not because necessarily they're focused on it, just because they're so big. Let's see, Long Beach electricians and Leon Electric are your 3 main competition. Excuse me, for this specific keyword of Long Beach electrician. So looking at Powell, their value is at 18,000. Their ratio is 1-to-1, which is perfect, which is great. They have 1,000 backlinks from 150 domains, and they're getting 538. They're ranking in 538 keywords, and they're getting 670 clicks a month. So huge. And I've seen this value up as much as 60,000. I'm sure if I put Facebook or something in here, it'd be a ridiculous amount of value. But for electricians, I've seen it up as high as 60,000. So LBC electricians 75, 23, 30 keywords. They're ranking 26 clicks per month, and their traffic value is almost at 1,000. It should be pretty easy for you to overtake them. And then the same Leon Electric, same thing, not too high. They're ranking for quite a bit of keywords, and their traffic is higher, so their value again a little higher. But they might not be focusing on Long Beach electricians too much. So, and then looking at the traffic, like I said, these national keywords a little bit harder to rank for, and somehow you guys are ranking for them, but you're not ranking as high for some of these other ones. And I would argue that these other ones, 200. 300, 400, these 600, 700 clicks down here will probably get you more traffic than these national keywords, even if you do rank for them. So really focusing on some of your area where there's a lot of traffic would be great. And number 3, I'm not sure if you have a Google My Business set up. It didn't show up here. I'm sure if I search for it, I could probably find it. But I would optimize my Google My Business, and the couple ways to do that. One is to make sure you add pictures that are, again, keyword tagged, and optimize it with citations, and make sure you when you're searched, your map pack shows up. So those would be my 3 things. Optimize your GMB. If you don't have one, add one. Definitely add content and pictures, and then make sure you're focusing on those local keywords. Anyway, we ran a little bit long, but if you have any questions, feel free to email me back or call me. My information is in the email, and I'd be happy to help you if you need help. Anyway, thank you, and God bless.